It's my birthday. Another year has gone by, and I'm reminded of how important it is to go on these expeditions and adventure with my family as much as possible. My wife and I only have one night off of work together this week, and I definitely can't spend it sitting on the couch. So I packed the truck and kidnapped the wife and the kids for a night of overlanding. We decided to check out an area called Anza Borrego, which is a large desert area in between Southern California's San Diego and Riverside County. It has 500 plus miles of dirt roads and 12 huge wilderness areas that are just perfect for the primitive type of dispersed camping that we love to do. We ended up heading deep into a slot canyon and found an extremely secluded spot to set up camp. No cell service, no one around for miles. This is exactly what I needed. Family, a warm meal, and an adult beverage.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dada. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, guys.
Stop.
Thank you.
Oh.
Scattered throughout the desert here are hundreds of giant metal sculptures, so the next morning we went to check some of them out. We also found a scenic OHV trail that went around a dry lake bed. It ended up being a great spot to snap some photos and let my son fly his kite. There's so much to do here. There's a lot more to explore. It would take several days, but we did what we could in one day, so we saw quite a bit. The only gear update I have for you is we tested a new Dometic C35 refrigerator. If you'd like to see a video just on that, comment below and let me know. Otherwise, do all the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe, and I will remind you guys as usual, get outside, stay hydrated, and keep on moving. He's kind of cute.